Friends, welcome to my channel. This is a girl Mercy. If you're a returning subscriber, appreciate you. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. So today I'm going to talk about understanding customary marriage in Nigeria. There are several types of marriages in Nigeria. We have the customary marriage, which most people know as the traditional marriage. We have the marriage under the act. That's the court marriage. We have the Islamic type of marriage. Now, for customary marriage, this is the marriage according to the native law and custom of a place. Now, and the most important part of that marriage is the issue of dowry. The dowry is paid, and the bride becomes the wife to the man. And once the dowry is paid, it means there was consent obtained by either the parents or the guidance of the person who is the bride, who receives the dowry in acceptance of the marriage. Now, this type of marriage is symbolic in the sense that it is a marriage that parents have given the consent. Everybody knows that you're not married, whether you do the church marriage or the blessing or even the court marriage. It is assumed and it's accepted that you are married and you are legally married. Now, most people do this type of marriage and also proceed to do the church blessing, and the fact that you did the church blessing doesn't mean that your marriage is under the act, because most churches are not licensed place of worship, and because they're not licensed place of worship, they cannot conduct a valid marriage. Sometimes most people do the church marriage thinking that they have done their marriage is the marriage under the act, and when there's time for dissolution of the marriage, if need be, they are not surprised that what they have done is just a customary marriage, especially they've done the church wedding. I'm going to do another video on for people to understand this part of the white wedding, church marriage, marriage under the act, and issue of a licensed place of worship. For today, I want to concentrate on customary marriage. Now, I'm going to basically, talk about dissolution of the customary marriage. That's where I'm aiming at. Now, there are two ways you can dissolve a customary marriage. The first one is the return of the bride price, which is the dowry. The second one is dissolution through the customary court. Now, where a party is dissatisfied with the marriage or can no longer cope or wants to dissolve the marriage, what they usually do is to maybe take their elders or family members to meet with the other family member and explain, okay, this is the attitude of your daughter or your son or your daughter has done this, which I found I can no longer live with this person. So we feel we should significantly say that they've returned the wife. Most other cultures that the breaking of the calabash, and when the calabash is broken, it means the marriage is dissolved. And when the bride price is returned and is accepted, even if it's not accepted but it is returned, it is assumed that the marriage has broken. Another way you can dissolve it, like I said earlier, is to approach the customary court. Every state in Nigeria has a customary court except the northern states that have Sharia courts. Now, when an aggrieved party goes to the customary court, you state your story. It's like you file like a process. A lawyer can help you with that. You can also do it without a lawyer. You file the processes, it is filed, and it is served on the respondent or the other party involved in the marriage. Then a date is given for you to come and explain your story, and if there's a lawyer on the other side, you will be cross-examined. At the end of the day, the court can now dissolve your marriage and make orders, maybe as to the children of marriage, maintenance, and all of that. Now, in customary marriage, there's no issue of the 2-year or 3-year rule that is obtainable under the marriage under the act. The fact that you did a church marriage does not mean that your marriage is a marriage under the act. I'm going to do another video so that you can understand the difference between having a marriage under the act and church blessing. So you must understand that dissolution of customary marriage can be by two ways: returning of the bride price, and secondly, you can dissolve it through the customary court. So friends, I hope this video makes you well and you've understood and learned something from this video. Thank you for listening in to Lawyers Infohub. Thank you.